What's up? What's happening? What's going on, Cantaloupes? Every fan dreams of being able to catch a foul ball or magically appear on the jumbrotron. Some shine in those moments better than others, though. These are the people who messed up in their time to shine. The 10 biggest fan fails in sports history. Number 10, kids way smoother than me. I'm just going to call this a fail on the part of the girls in the back because this has to be the most incredible fan moment I've ever seen and just needed to find a way to put it in this video.
His kryptonite, especially from the right hand. As soon as he learns to recognize that pitch a little bit earlier.
See that kid there in the pink glasses? Earlier in the game, Luis Rivera throws him a baseball. Now watch what he does. He catches that baseball and then turns to the group of young ladies behind him and says, "Hey ladies, would you like a ball?" And they go, "Oh, aren't you so sweet?" But then he says, "I gave her the other ball."
The problem is he's got the gamer in his glove.
He never took the gamer out of his glove and says, "Ladies, would you like a baseball?" And look at the girl in the middle. Oh, that's so sweet.
That's not the game ball.
Pretty slick. That is the play of the game.
Number 9, let it go already. Okay, so it's impossible to make a fan fail video without Steve Bartman. Although I wish that I wouldn't have to because the poor man has lived through enough pain. Let's just get it over with. It's the NLCS, etc., yada, yada, yada. You get it.
Field line, reaching into the stands and couldn't get it, and he's livid with a fan.
That's awfully close to fan interference right there. The umpire's all over it. The umpire right down there, Mike Everett's on the play. If Alou has to reach into the stands, it's fair game for the fans to catch the ball. If the fan reaches out over the field, then it can be ruled fan interference. That is very, very close.
Number 8, adults suck. After being selected as one of the 3 stars of the game, Scott Niedermayer came out and tried handing a stick to a fan over the glass. It was supposed to be for a little girl, not the adults that ruined the fun. Number 7, just a bit outside. Sometimes you gotta just go for it and lunge for your dreams, even if they're 20 yards away from you.
This is brilliant. He's obviously going for the ball.
Number 6, thanks but no thanks. Here's a beautiful grab made by this father who ultimately has the show and fame stolen from him by his daughter.
Go after him there. Delivers a fastball. A shot to the upper deck, caught by that fan right there. Nice grab.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there it goes.
Well, she's only doing what she sees them do all the time, and that is to throw the ball back on the field. But you know when that happens, the parent is never able to catch them before they end up doing it.
And there's a whole host of fans underneath that gentleman right there who are looking for another souvenir.
Number 5, water bottle man. This one is self-explanatory. Big man can't open his little water bottle.
Another change up and it's 2-1.
Oh, come on. Hey.
All that working out and you can't open a water bottle?
Oh, come on. What's he? Sir, I think you got the wrong workout program.
Hit hard, just foul. It's almost like a gag, right?
Jeez. Are you kidding? He's still after it?
He ought to ask for help. Come on, give it to buddy.
Number 4, the fan man. Hey, get your 15 minutes of fame however you can get it, even if that means you end up getting knocked out during a heavyweight boxing match.
And whoa, somebody just, there's been a parachutist, a skydiver, has just landed here at ringside. Tried to come into the ring. He hit the ring ropes, and there is chaos here at Caesar's Palace in the outdoor stadium. Show you watch the left side of your screen where the bow corner's in the foreground. See the photographer's looking, and he landed on the top ring with his parachute hung up on the overhead canopy.
Number 3, Ichiro gets ejected. Ichiro is so fast, he's able to run out of the dugout, into the stands, get ejected, and still be ready for his next at-bat.
Fair ball, hit hard. Ball girl gets out of the way. Ackley going to second. He's going to go to third. Oh, no way. Oh, come on. He had 3.
It was Ichiro that did it.
No way. Dude.
They're going to...
Can you believe this? Well, nice knowing you for tonight. Boy, oh boy, the price you pay for.
Lesson learned.
Number 2, fan misses 3 foul balls. Knowing New York and how expensive his seats are, I can almost guarantee this guy was at the Yankees game while on a business trip. That really doesn't rightfully explain why he has no hand-eye coordination whatsoever, though.
It's a rough day at the ballpark for this Yankee fan. He misses not 1, not 2, but 3 chances to catch a foul ball. You don't see the ball boy take such pity on the guy, he actually tossed the 3rd ball.
The 3rd one really stings because the ball boy's taking pity on you. Here, just take one.
He's tossing it.
Finally, he snared one from the ground.
But he got the ball, and he's a good sport about it.
3rd time's a charm, man.
Number 1, instant karma. This has to be seen to be believed. Steve Sullivan got a high stick, and an Avalanche fan decided to taunt him for bleeding. Weird thing to taunt about.
Wow, hurt right in the mouth. I was slowly going to the bench with my trainer, and a fan who was sitting right on the glass started to heckle me, and just started calling me some names and that I really can't say on TV.
Okay, classless, right? But flash forward to a couple minutes later. This sequence is just truly unbelievable.
Watch Patrick Watt. Watch the puck as it goes around. Bonk, it hits something. And now Sullivan comes over. This is the fan. The same fan who was giving Sullivan a hard time. And that's his wife laughing with the thumbs up.
And luck be it, Patrick Watt got the puck behind the net and threw it over the glass, and it clipped the same fan right in the forehead, and he started bleeding probably worse than I was. And Antonio Monte yelled at me on the ice that it was the same fan, so I just took it upon myself to go back and tell him a few words of my own, and I think his girlfriend thought it was pretty funny also.
What other fan fails should we have put in this list? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like Total Pro Sports and you're new to Total Pro Sports, hit the subscribe button. We put out videos every single day. Until next time, I'm Mike Cantalupo. Thanks for watching.